Looking to upgrade your truck's rear lighting? Meet the Nylite 60 Tailgate Light Bar, a game changer for safety and style. With 108 ultra-bright LEDs, this single-row strip lights up your tailgate with precision. Red for running and brake lights, amber for turn signals, and crisp white LEDs for reverse. It's flexible, waterproof, and comes with a solid 2-year warranty. Installation? Super easy with 3M adhesive and a standard 4-pin connector. This isn't just lighting, it's a full visibility upgrade for your truck, compatible with most pickups and built to survive the harshest weather. If you want your truck seen day or night, this is the bar to get. Camping, overlanding, or working on the go. The Akima Road Shower is your mobile water solution. It's a pressurized aluminum water tank that mounts right on your roof rack. Holds water for showers, dishwashing, or gear rinsing. Includes a garden hose adapter, 2 outlet ports, plus a pressure valve for spray control. Just fill it up, pump or pressurize with air, and go. Rugged, UV protected, and built for extreme outdoor use. Whether you're in the desert, forest, or job site, this gives you instant water access wherever you park, a must-have for serious adventurers or mobile workers. Protect your truck bed like a pro with the Raptor Black Urethane Spray-On Bed Liner Kit. This 4-liter kit includes the liner material and a spray gun for a smooth, even finish. It's tough, chemical-resistant, and protects against rust, scratches, and impact. Use it on your bed, tailgate, wheel wells, or even undercoating. It bonds tightly to metal, wood, or plastic and gives your truck a rugged, textured look. No flaking, no peeling, just durable protection that lasts. Perfect for DIYers or auto shops looking for professional-grade results without the pro price. Apply once and forget about it. Your truck stays looking sharp and protected for years. Protect your trailer with confidence using the Rhino USA Trailer Hitch Lock Kit. Built for 2.5/16 couplers, this heavy-duty lock is designed to prevent theft on your RV, camper, boat, or trailer. Made from reinforced solid steel, it resists picking, prying, and cutting. The bright red design acts as a strong visual deterrent, and the universal fit means it works on most trailer tongues. It's easy to install, just slide, lock, and walk away with peace of mind. Whether you're parked at a campground or outside your house, this lock adds serious protection. Rhino USA backs it with lifetime support because security should never be a question. Need a jack that's built to handle serious weight? The CURT 28,250 AFrame trailer jack lifts up to 5,000 LPs with a vertical travel of 14.1/8 inches. It's made with industrial-grade components and finished in carbide black powder coat to fight rust and corrosion. The handle is easy to turn and the drop leg helps speed up lifting and lowering your trailer. Great for RVs, campers, cargo haulers, anything with an A-frame. It mounts quickly with standard bolt holes and it's strong enough for regular heavy-duty use. If you want strength, durability, and smooth performance, this CURT jack gets the job done every time. Need extra waste capacity for your RV trips? The Camco Rhino 28-gallon tote tank makes it easy and safe to haul wastewater. It features heavy-duty no-flat wheels, a built-in gate valve, and a 3-foot sewer hose included in the kit. The design is low-profile but tough, resistant to cracks, UV, and rough terrain. A removable steel tow adapter lets you pull it with your RV or ATV, saving time and effort. Perfect for longer stays where tank space is limited. With its large capacity and durable build, this tank gives you the freedom to stay off-grid longer without the mess. Is your tailgate handle broken or loose on your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra? This replacement latch and bezel trim kit fits perfectly on models from 1999 to 2007, 1500, 2500, and 3500 series. Made from durable materials, it includes everything. Handle, latch, bezel trim, rod clips for easy install. No need to deal with junkyard parts. This kit replaces OEM parts like 15, 997,000, 911, and others. It restores that clean factory look and feel with smooth opening and secure locking. If you're fixing up your tailgate, this is the most cost-effective plug-and-play solution you can find. Just snap it in and you're back in business. Want to give your truck a badass look in under 2 minutes? Check out the Ronin factory bullet antenna. Modeled after a D50 cal bullet, it's the ultimate short antenna upgrade for your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra. Anti-theft design with tough threading, car wash safe, works with AM/FM radio. It's built from CNC machined aluminum, giving your truck a sleek, rugged style without affecting signal quality. Super easy install. Just unscrew the old one and twist this one on. No static, no flimsy plastic, just pure performance and killer looks. A small mod that makes a big statement. Need to keep an eye on your car in real time? The Spark Nano 7 GPS tracker by Brickhouse has you covered. Live 4G LTE tracking, hidden, compact, and powerful. Comes with a magnetic, waterproof case. Just place it under your vehicle or inside, no wiring needed. Track your car, truck, or even a teenager's ride straight from your phone or PC. Real-time alerts, geofencing, speed tracking. It's like having eyes on your vehicle 24/7. Perfect for businesses, parents, or anyone worried about theft. Note, it requires a monthly subscription, but it's totally worth the peace of mind. Running out of space in your truck bed? This stowable and collapsible tailgate extender is the perfect add-on for your 2015 to 2021 Ford F-150. It instantly gives you more room for oversized cargo by flipping out over the open tailgate. When not in use, it folds neatly inside the bed. No tools needed to stow or deploy. Made from high-strength material, it's built to last and resist the elements. It's a direct replacement for OEM part numbers FL3Z99, 280, A6, A40C, so no compatibility headaches. Whether you're hauling gear, furniture, or weekend supplies, this extender keeps everything in place safely and securely. A great upgrade for truck owners who actually use their truck. Tired of your F-150 tailgate slamming down? The Winonowite Tailgate Assist Shock solves that with smooth, controlled drops every time. Compatible with 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150, it makes your tailgate soft open. No more sudden thuds or risk of injury. All tools are included for a quick, no-drill installation. It's made with heavy-duty materials and precision engineered to fit perfectly. You only need one shock to get the job done. Whether you open your tailgate daily or occasionally, this upgrade adds comfort and safety without breaking the bank. A smart, simple improvement you'll appreciate every time you open your truck. Looking for full bed protection that fits like a glove? The Husky Liner's custom bed liner is tailor-made for 2015 to 2024 Ford F-150, including Lightning Crew and Super Crew with 67.1-inch beds. It's a one-piece, form-fit liner that locks into place. It resists chemicals, weather, and cargo scuffs with its tough, rubberized material. Installation is easy, no trimming, no hassle. Once it's in, your truck bed is shielded from wear, tear, and rust. If you want clean looks and real protection, this Husky Liner delivers exactly that. Need a hitch that's as versatile as your towing needs? The BMW Tow Stow ball mount is an adjustable dual ball hitch for 2-inch receivers. It includes a 2 and a 2.5/16 ball, supports up to 10,000 balls GTW, and offers a 5 drop for perfect leveling. What makes it unique? When you're done towing, the hitch folds under the bumper, so there's no more bruised shins or garage damage. It's made from high-grade steel and finished in black powder coat to resist rust and corrosion. This is for serious towers who value strength, safety, and convenience in one clean design. Backed by BMW's reputation, this hitch is built to tow heavy and tow smart. Give your car interior that clean, luxurious finish with Armor All Leather Conditioner Gel. It's specially designed for leather seats and trims in cars, trucks, or motorcycles. This gel penetrates deep to moisturize, condition, and restore leather without leaving it greasy. It also adds a protective layer that helps block UV rays, heat, and daily wear. Perfect for both new leather and older seats that need a little love. The 18 Oz bottle goes a long way, and the formula leaves a subtle shine and fresh scent. No cracking, no fading, just smooth, nourished leather that looks like new. A must-have in your car care kit if you care about interior quality. Secure your cargo with confidence using Husky's 12-foot Ratchet tie-downs. This 4-pack includes 1-inch wide heavy-duty straps, ideal for securing loads in your truck bed, trailer, or roof rack. Each strap features a high-tension ratchet system with durable metal hooks for a tight and reliable hold. Whether you're moving furniture, hauling gear, or strapping down ATVs, these tie-downs give you strength and safety. They're easy to use, tangle-resistant, and built to last through rain, dust, and tough jobs. Backed by Husky Husky's quality, they're a smart choice for any driver or weekend hauler. Strong grip, quick release, just strap, click, and go. Preserve your car's interior with Mother's Protectant, a powerful formula that cleans, restores, and protects. Safe for rubber, vinyl, plastic, and dashboards, this spray shields your surfaces from UV rays, heat, and fading. It leaves a natural-looking finish, no shine overload, no greasy feel, perfect for daily drivers, classic cars, and even boats. It conditions the material while keeping dust and dirt from clinging to the surface. One 16 Oz bottle goes a long way and delivers that clean, fresh, detail shop feel right at home. If you want your interior to last and look great doing it, Mother's gets the job done. Got a cracked or faded tailgate cap on your Silverado or Sierra? The Echo Trick tailgate spoiler cap is a perfect replacement for 1999 to 2007 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra models. Made of durable textured black plastic, it's designed to fit OEM standards and replaces part numbers 15,932,249 and GM 1,909,101. This cap protects the top edge of your tailgate from scratches, dents, and weather damage, all while giving your truck a clean, finished look. It installs easily using factory mounting holes, no drilling required. A smart upgrade if you're restoring your truck or just want to protect your investment. Simple part, big difference in both appearance and protection. Keep your gear neat and easy to reach with this cargo box organizer for Ford Maverick. It slides right onto your tailgate, letting you access tools, groceries, or gear without climbing in. Built to fit the Maverick perfectly, it protects your cargo and tailgate from shifting and scratches. Whether you're loading up for work or a weekend trip, this organizer keeps everything in place and ready to go. No drilling needed. It installs in seconds and removes just as easily. A practical upgrade for daily drivers who like clean storage, fast loading, and no clutter. It's smart storage that travels with you. Want to protect your truck bed while keeping it stylish? The Tiger Auto T3 soft tri-fold cover fits 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 models with 510 beds. No, not for 2019 LD or classic models. It installs quickly with no drilling, just clamp it down and you're good to go. The cover is made from marine-grade vinyl over a durable aluminum frame, giving it both strength and weather resistance. It helps improve gas mileage, keeps cargo dry, and folds up easily when you need full bed access. If you're looking for function and sleek design, this is one of the best value covers out there. Backed by a solid warranty and great customer support.